हेलो बच्चों, आपका स्वागत है साइंस जीवी चैनल पर। आज हम करने वाले हैं क्लास 10 साइंस का मिड टर्म का एग्ज़ामिनेशन। जो लास्ट ईयर आया था उसी से रिलेटेड जो मिड टर्म का एग्ज़ाम है 2023-24 का, वो हम करने वाले हैं। और क्योंकि अब आपको पता है 2024-25 का जो एग्ज़ाम है वो मिड फर्स्ट टर्म या मिड टर्म जिन्हें हम कहते हैं सितंबर में होते हैं, तो आपके 25 सितंबर से स्टार्ट हो जाएंगे, जिसमें अब लगभग 30 दिन का समय बाकी है। तो अब आप बिल्कुल अपनी तैयारी स्टार्ट कर दो और इस पेपर से आप एक बार आइडिया लगा सकते हो कि आपकी तैयारी कितनी है। इस वीडियो में हम जितने भी MCQs हैं वो करेंगे, और इसको आप जो भी एक्सप्लेनेशन है उसको देखने से पहले आप टिक कर लो कितने क्वेश्चंस आप सही करते हो, उसके बाद एक्सप्लेनेशंस देखना, और उसके बाद आप अंदाज़ा और कमेंट बॉक्स में लिखना कि आपके 20 में से कितने मार्क्स आ रहे हैं। उससे आपको आइडिया लगेगा कि कितने आपको कितनी तैयारी की अभी ज़रूरत है। तो शुरू करते हैं। तो मिड टर्म एग्ज़ामिनेशन में जैसा कि आपको पता है ये आपका 3 घंटे का एग्ज़ाम होता है, 80 मार्क्स का एग्ज़ाम है। उसमें 39 या 39 क्वेश्चंस होते हैं, जिसमें से 20 क्वेश्चंस ऑब्जेक्टिव टाइप होते हैं जो एक एक नंबर के होते हैं। इसी को हम आज टैकल करेंगे। फिर नेक्स्ट वीडियो में 2 मार्क्स के, फिर 3 मार्क्स के, 5 मार्क्स के और 4 मार्क्स के क्वेश्चंस को देखेंगे। तो फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन है, व्हेन फेरस सल्फेट क्रिस्टल्स आर हीटेड, वाटर ऑफ क्रिस्टलाइजेशन इज रिमूव्ड and the color of salt change too. So when we heat ferrous sulfate crystals are usually green in color or light green in color, and when it is heated it gets converted into white in color. So it is a very important reaction, so answer will be white. Similarly, when copper sulfate crystals, it is contains 5H2O, so XH2I means crystallization of water. So when it is also a blue color in nature, but when we heat it becomes copper sulfate dry, and it is also white in powder. So you can take that from this. So answer will be white. Second question है, zinc plus silver nitrate, silver plus zinc nitrate. So in this question zinc is converted into zinc nitrate by displacing silver from its solution, from its salt solution. Therefore the given reaction is an example of displacement reaction. Okay, so second question, answer of second question is displacement reaction, क्योंकि यहाँ पे आप देखो जिंक ने सिल्वर को डिस्प्लेस कर दिया है उसके सॉल्ट से, दैट्स वाई इट इज़ कॉल्ड डिस्प्लेसमेंट रिएक्शन. नेक्स्ट, विच ऑफ द फॉलोइंग कैन यूज बी एज ऑल फैक्ट्री इंडिकेटर. ऑल फैक्ट्री इंडिकेटर आपको पता है, द इंडिकेटर इन विच we distinguish acid and base by smell. So litmus is not an olfactory indicator. Onion, option number B is an olfactory indicator. Other olfactory indicators are onion, clove, vanilla essence, all are olfactory indicators, so you can remember that. So option number B is the correct answer. Litmus and turmeric are natural indicators, and phenolphthalein is an synthetic indicator. You should also remember that. Next, fourth question. So question number 4 is the method of coating a thin layer of zinc over an iron article to protect it from corrosion is called. So we know that the coating a thin layer of zinc is called galvanization. As you know, zinc is more reactive than iron, so it will form zinc oxide, and zinc oxide is very strong and it does not react with water readily, so iron is prevented from reacting water by galvanization. Now, which of the following, question number 5, which of the following property is of an ionic compound? So ionic compound is soluble in water. Yes, it is soluble in water because it can easily dissociated in ions. Low melting point, no, ionic compounds have high melting points. Poor conductor, no, it is good conductor of electricity. Weak force of attraction, no. Strong force of attraction between ions. So these are 4 properties of ionic compound. So here only correct option is option A, soluble in water. Now question number 6, muscles that controls the exit of food from stomach and waste material from anus is called sphincter muscle. So it is sphincter muscle. Question number 7, which of the following statement is regarding incorrect regarding the excretion of waste by plants? And now in the question number 6, the ciliary muscles is present in eye lens, which control the size of the lens, and peristaltic muscles, it controls the movement of food inside the esophagus. So you should also remember that. Question number 7, which statement is incorrect regarding the excretion of waste? So first is waste products may be stored in leaves that fall off. Yes, it is correct. Plants excrete gaseous waste like oxygen during photosynthesis. Yes, plants excrete oxygen during photosynthesis. Plant root excrete some waste substance in soil around them. Yes, it is also correct. So option number D should be incorrect. Let us read that. Many plants waste are stored in lysosome. So here is the wrong part. Lysosome is not present in plant cells. So it is the wrong answer. So option number D is the incorrect answer. So here our answer will be option number D. Now part of neuron where the information acquired. Now you know that there are main 4 parts of neuron, that is dendrite, and after dendrite cell body, the information passed to cell body, where cell body and nucleus, and after nucleus it gets passed to axon, and after axon it's passed to nerve ending, and here nerve ending the other axonic dendrites receives the signal. So the part of neuron where information acquired is dendrite. Dendrite is the correct answer. Dendrite receives signals in chemical form, but it gets converted into electrical form and then transform to axon in also electrical impulse, and at nerve ending it's again get converted into chemicals, and that gap between two neurons are called synapses. It is also an important question, so you should also remember that. Now question number 9, which of the following plant hormone is responsible for wilting of leaves? So wilting of leaves is responsible due to abscisic acid. So option number C is the correct answer. Now what is the center of reflecting surface of a spherical mirror called? So if a spherical mirror, let's say this is the spherical mirror, concave mirror, and it is part of the sphere, and center is called center of curvature, C. So here answer is center of curvature. To see the larger image of the teeth of patient, dentist used concave mirror. Use of concave mirror, larger images produced by concave mirror, so dentists use that. Shaving mirror is also due to this property. Where is the image formed in the inside the human eye? So image formed at the retina of the human eye. And other pupil controls the amount of light entering into the eye. Cornea is the transparent layer through which light enters into the eye, and eye lens, it makes the light focus to retina and form the image. Now in a triangular glass prism, the emergent ray bends at an angle to the direction of incident ray. The angle is represented by, now in a prism, if we see that if it is an angle, if a incident ray and it gets refracted, and then again when it goes from denser to rarer medium, it gets reflected. So here the angle between this and this, the deviation between this is called angle of deviation D. So here it is represented by D. E is the angle of emergence, I is the angle of incidence, and R is the angle of refraction inside the prism. So here D is the correct answer. And also one important, the angle of prism is represented by A, capital A. Okay, so option number D is the correct answer. D is for deflection. So angle of deviation or angle of deflection, you can remember from that. Now 14th number question, the far point of a normal eye. So far point of a normal eye is infinity, it is the correct answer. Near point of a normal eye is 25 centimeter. Now, which of the following shows the correct sequence of food chain constituted by the given organism? So, first grass, because autotrophs comes first. So, grass, and grass eaten by grasshopper, which is then eaten by frog, and frog is ultimately eaten by snake. So, 4, 2, 1, 3 is the correct answer. Option number C is the correct answer. Now, identify the ecosystem which is artificially created by man in the following: ocean, no, it is naturally occurring; forest, it is also naturally occurring; desert is also naturally occurring; garden, so it is the man-made or artificial. Apart from garden, aquarium is also the example of man-made ecosystem. Okay. Now, in question number 17 to 20, these are assertion reasoning based questions in which there are 4 types of answers. You should mark A if both assertion and reasoning are true and reasoning is the correct explanation of A. If both A are true but reason is the not correct explanation of A, that answer will be B. If assertion is true but reason is false, answer will be C. And if assertion is false and reason is true, answer will be D. Okay. Now let's see the question number 17. It says that tooth decay start when the pH of mouth is lower than 5.5. The tooth enamel made up calcium phosphate corrode. So it is correct. Now reason: bacteria produce by degrading, it is acid, here it is acid. Bacteria produce acids by degradation of sugar and food particle in the mouth. So it is also the correct. So reason is correct and explanation is correct. So option number A should be the answer. Now 18th question: in the plant, the opening and closing of the stomata is function of guard cell. It is correct. And the guard cells swell when water comes in and close the stomatal pore, and similarly the water spore opens when the guard cells shrinks. So it is also the correct option. Option number A is the correct answer. Now assertion. So assertion is question number 19. Sugar level in blood are detected by the cells of adrenaline gland. So no, sugar level is detected by pancreatic gland. So adrenaline gland is the incorrect answer. So it is incorrect. Now if sugar level is high in blood, more insulin is secreted. As sugar level falls, insulin secretion is reduced. So it is correct. It is false. Option number D will be the correct answer. Now assertion part: power of a concave lens of focal length 1 meter is equal to -1 diopter. So power of concave lens is -1 meter and equal to 1 diopter, -1 diopter. It is correct because power is 1 upon focus. If focus is -1, so its power is also will be -1 diopter. Okay. Now reason: concave lens of very short focal length cause more divergence of light. So it is also true, but it is not a correct explanation. So answer will be B. So here we done the section A MCQ type questions. Now in the next video we will do the part B of short and very short answers questions. Now you comment your score out of 20 and we will see on which level your preparation is going regarding the first terminal exam. If you scored less than 15, then you should start studying seriously, and if you score less than 10, then there is a major reason to concern for your studies. Okay, and if you are scoring more than 15 or 15 plus, so you cannot go that you can easily crack the exam. You should keep your study the way you are doing till now. Okay, so do subscribe this channel and follow for more videos. Thanks for watching Science TV and share these videos to